AI, artificial intelligence. ATM, automated teller machine. BT, Bluetooth. CAD, computer-aided design program. CAM, computer-aided manufacturing. ROM, read-only memory. RAM, random access memory. COD, cache on delivery. CPU, central processing unit. CSE, computer science and engineering. CDMA, code division multiple access. DVD, digital versatile disc. E-book, electronic book. Email, electronic mail. FAQ, frequently asked question. GPS, global positioning system. GPRS, general packet radio system. GSM, global system for mobile communication. HTTP, hypertext transfer protocol. ICT, information and communication technology. IP, Internet Protocol. IT, information technology. LCD, liquid crystal display. LTE, long-term evolution. OMR, optical mark reader. OS, operating system. PDF, portable document format. SMS, short massage service. SIM, subscriber identity module. Virus, vital information resource underseas. VPN, virtual private network.